control, this is flight 2112, preparing for a smooth landing. We are 20 kilometers outside East London, and as I look across the skies, there's something extraordinary in the air today. Ah, yes. It's not just the winds and the clouds. No, it's something far more enchanting. It's the unmistakable radiance of love. You see, my passengers, Nelisa and Brian Mtwa, I can't help but notice their love is so radiating. It's almost as if the very air is glowing with it. It's contagious too. Oluthando lunobukhazikhazi. Unalanto iti forever wena. I can feel it soaring through the cabin, mingling with the clouds. And well, it's just too much to keep contained up here. So, Mawethu, lungisani ndiyathemba nithongisile. This love is about to land. Good Martha, we've begun our descent. You may start your countdown. To the lovely couple, Makwande Mawethu.
We're gonna do the countdown. Uba ungasese, so ibamba hapo until bangene. Uzasiphazamisa. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Mtwa. Bavuleleni indlela bafuna ukudlulayo. La 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 la. Please. Let's go. Go.
Dingenza ngikufake kasla, dingenza kwazi sekuma. Uthando lakhe enhlizweni yami, uthando lakhe enhlizweni yami. Lona lenza uthande ngasa, elona lisose laphela, elona lisose laphela namababy. Uthando lakhe enhlizweni yami, dingenza ngikufake kasla, dingenza kwazi sekuma. Uthando lakhe enhlizweni yami, uthando lakhe enhlizweni yami. Lona lenza uthande ngasa, elona lisose laphela, elona lisose laphela. elona lisoze laphela, elona lisoze laphela my baby hey uthando lwakho enhlizweni yami uthando lwakho enhlizweni yami elona lisoze laphela, elona lisoze laphela my baby hey uthando lwakho enhlizweni yami uthando lwakho enhlizweni yami elona lisoze laphela, elona lisoze laphela my baby hey uthando lwakho enhlizweni yami uthando lwakho enhlizweni yami sa elona lisoze laphela, elona lisoze laphela my baby hey uthando lwakho enhlizweni yami ishu engithi lona lisoze laphela sa mshi ishu enanzo sa mshi
ngibe nento zami khaya lifuthumele transimazinde
iPorsche Panamera dada entabeni umhlaba ongapheli usalela abantwana
mana kancane ngisafuna siphile asekhona amandla siyobona amazwe phesheya kolwandle
lwandle lwaseDubai kwelikameli silale emahoteli
umuntu uthandayo bona ngeze umuntu uthandayo bona ngeze
To Mr. and Mrs. Dwa as they're about to respond. We get their reply.
Ngicela ukubulela ngegama lika Yesu Kristu inkosi yethu. Ngicela ukubulela ndibulela wonke umuntu olapha. Ndibulela ifamily yami for isupport enike yona over the past couple of days. Preparation was definitely not easy, but dikwaziwa supportwa, of which londo leyo ndibulela kakhulu abantu basuka kwindawo ngendawo basuka kwindawo ngendawo ba drive ezindleleni ngamgcina umthandazo kule veki kuba baqhube kakuhle endleleni ingozi ingabe izinto ezibachaphazelayo bakwazile ke uba lapha namhlanje. Ndibulela i-in-laws zam abazali bam ndiyababulela kakhulu ngento bandenzele yona ngoba lento lena ngeingasoze yenzeke ifsange bavume. Ndibulela kakhulu. Namhlanje there's friends, there's family, there's clients. Ndine clients ezilapha endifuna uzibulela kakhulu ezisuka eGoli. Ndibulela kakhulu and zikwazile uthatha ixesha lazo zabalapha. Ndifuna ubulela kakhulu. Namhlanje bendingayisipreparation lesi speech because bengekho mna program. Ngoku ndizibhaqa senkhona. But ke andinga upreparisha xa ndifuna uthetha ngonkosikazi wami. Ndiyabulela kakhulu. Engunkosikazi wami nje it's because ndabona umuntu perfect. Xa ndisithi ndabona umuntu perfect ndazama uzikhangela iflaws andazibona. Ndazama uzikhangela iflaws andazibona. And ndaqonda uba mna i-decision xa ndithe ndayicinga kancinci ndaba ngathi hey kodwa ingathi ayikho enye i-decision endinoyithatha ngaphandle kwale. Ndaqonda uba naxa ekhona ubomi balula mani. Ndazibona nje ezo nto uba it means uba it's sustainable. Mna ndiyakenjoya ukonwaba ngingase ndihlale ndihappy So yena uyandonwabisa ke ngoku. So ndiyabulela kakhulu mamthembu wam. Ndiyabulela sithando sam.
Emva kwale mini nje ndiyabulisa kwabafundisi abekhoyo, u-program director, koomama, kootata, naye wonke umntu othe wathatha ixesha lakhe balapha nathi ngale mini. Myeni wam, enkosi. This is all possible because of your love for me. I'm grateful for it. It's been years, as Percy has mentioned, it's been years of us having met on Twitter. Started to meet her in the flesh 4 years ago. And through all these years, you've been a constant reminder of love, a constant reminder of patience, and a constant reminder to be humble and grateful for life. Thank you. I appreciate you. To everyone that has taken their time to join us on the stage, ndiyabulela. Kwabazazi bethu, i-support yenu, we wouldn't have been here without it. We are truly so grateful. My friends, you have traveled from each edge of this country, from Cape Town, from Johannesburg. We appreciate that you guys are here. Thank you. Ndiyabulela kakhulu, enkosi.